Welcome to our Gardening Getting Started Planning Edition. Today we're going to be looking at things to consider when you're starting your garden. It's important to know the space you have before you get started because it will impact what you can grow. If you know the space you're going to be growing in, you can start to choose what you're going to grow, because the space you have impacts what you can grow. And then once you choose what you're going to grow, you'll have to decide how you're going to grow it. When choosing things for my garden, I choose things that are going to be easy to grow and useful for me. So for example, in my garden every year I have various types of lettuce growing, kale, and tomatoes. I do most of my gardening in a greenhouse and in various planter boxes. To start off most of your plants, you're going to want to use the Jiffy peat pods. I use them to get most of my garden plants going, especially the ones that are more difficult and take a long time to grow. But sometimes I do it just to get them an early start so I can get them transplanted sooner. One thing I recommend is using a garden planning tool. It makes it easier to keep track of which ones are which so you can transplant more efficiently. Comment below with your gardening questions and I can make future videos